Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup comps and notes from Redfin, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your comps and notes from Redfin, open your web browser and navigate to the Redfin website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the My Redfin tab at the top of the page. Click on My Redfin to access your saved searches, notes, and comps. Select the section where your comps are stored. You should see a list of properties you've saved. Take note of any specific comps you want to back up. To start the backup process, open a document editor on your computer. For each comp, copy the relevant details such as the address, price, and any notes you've made. Right-click and select Copy or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or Command+C. Switch back to your document editor and paste the details using Ctrl+V or Command+V. Repeat this process for each comp you wish to back up. Once you have copied all the necessary details, review them for accuracy. Make sure all notes are clear and understandable. Save your document with a descriptive name for easy retrieval later. If you wish to back up your notes, navigate back to the Notes section in Redfin. Select each note you want to save. Again, copy the content just like you did with the comps. Paste the notes into the same document or a new one for better organization. After pasting all notes, format them if necessary for clarity. Double-check your document for any missing information. Once satisfied, save the document in a secure location on your computer. Consider creating a backup of this file by storing it on a cloud service or external drive. This will ensure your information is safe and easily accessible. You have now successfully backed up your comps and notes from Redfin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.